This is SB. This is B33.
Yeah, let's rip this paper so we can move it appropriately. You know? Alright. Yep. Easy. Yep. Careful, Johnny.
Yep. Yep. Alright, so
Please don't be broken.
yeah, that's good. This one, oh, the shelf is falling off. Oh, let's see. It was probably tipped upside down.
Yeah, well, the shipping company delivered a bunch upside down, so.
It's all banged up. It's alright. Yeah. Scraped, scuffed. Maybe a new shelf. It's all scraped up.
Oh, man.
Put this back in.
What's it, sit on the screws, or?
It sits on the dials here. Just like that. And these are supposed to hold them down.
Mm-hmm.
I guess. I don't know. I think so. So that way they're nice and tight.
Mm-hmm.
So that they don't move.
Yeah, we didn't get any with that right there, nor did we get a shelf with that.
Yeah, we'll get to that individually. Okay.
No cracks on the sides.
Let's look underneath. Let me tip it up. Can you see cracks underneath?
Let's see. No, it looks pretty good.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright. Back side. Looks pretty good. Okay. Yep.
Okay.